With some of our teams working in remote locations, it's vital that we can provide them with a reliable power source whenever they need it. So I'm Jane Nicholson, I'm the Fleet Technical Specialist for National Grid Distribution. I'm responsible for ordering of new vehicles, specifying them and looking at new innovations for all types of vehicles. But we are moving away from using the traditional inverter with a leisure battery to a more combined electric version where we can actually provide an enhanced amount of electricity into the vehicles, but without having to have the vehicles idling. This will help us achieve our emission reductions, but also benefit obviously the operators that are standing around and working around the vehicles, but also our customers as well that are in the vicinity. Utilising the Clayton Power LPS system in electric vehicles not only allows us to run the auxiliary lighting systems, but it also allows us to operate an electric heater, which is vitally important for keeping some of the jointing compounds and other materials to the required temperature.
Hi, I'm Scott Hartland. I'm a technician based in National Grid. We're responsible for the 11 kV and 33 kV maintenance and asset replacement within the Somerset area. So having the LPS in the van allows me to charge tools for battery drills, battery grinders, that sort of thing, everything I need for the job. It also allows me to power test equipment, pressure test equipment, to test cable networks and also fault find on networks. I can charge sensitive equipment, laptops, phones, without having to run the van. Also, the benefit as well is that I can provide small power supplies for customers in need. So if there's any customers that have got battery stair lifts, chairs, oxygen monitors, oxygen machines, things that they might need in emergency, we can provide that quite quickly.
So part of our new regulatory RIIO-ED2 period, we're tasked with reducing our emissions, but also moving to the transition of electric vehicles. As part of that, one of the main issues is trying to find a vehicle that's out there that we can actually run on pure electric, but also do away with the diesel side of it and the engine idling. As a result of that, we've had to look at what we need to fit within this vehicle, but also providing an alternative charging facility within that, which is where the Clayton Power system comes in.